Yeah, we managed to put all the pipes are in and there was no leak. We put the pipes yesterday and we checked the leak. There was no leak. Then we close it up. As you can see, the walls are already skimmed. The floor, we did the floor as well. Then we left that piece for the trap. We have to do. I want to do something there so that you can have access to if you need to sort something because there's that angle, that one that for the trap. You have to when we have any problem, we have to lift up the bath. If the bath is liftable, then it's easy to lift it up. Then you can check what's happening there. So that is why I left it there, but I'm gonna sort it out to make everything right for you. The floor, as you can see, tomorrow I'm gonna finish up the skimming to the bottom section. Then all will be done. Thanks, Papa.